Hey, little explorers, have you ever wondered how your brain remembers your first day of school, your favorite song, or yesterday's lunch? In today's class, we will study how does our brain store memories. Every time you see, hear, or experience something new, your brain creates connections between billions of nerve cells called neurons. A small part of the brain called the hippocampus helps turn new experience into memories. When neurons communicate, the connection between them becomes stronger. Scientists call this process synaptic strengthening. The more often you recall or practice something, the stronger these neural pathways become, making the memory easier to access. Interestingly, memories aren't stored in one single place. Different parts of the brain store different types of information, such as facts, emotion, skills, and experiences. Where are the memories stored? Memories are stored across many parts of the brain, not in just one place. Hippocampus forms new memories. Cerebral cortex stores facts, knowledge, and long-term memories. Cerebellum stores skills and habits. Amygdala stores emotional memories. So, dear explorers, every time you remember something, your brain actually reveals that memory. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel.